Hi, good morning everyone. This is Shimeen at Hair Loss Center of Boston. We are so excited to be able to showcase you guys what we do here in our salon. In our salon, our main goal, the main thing we focus on is hair loss. Hair loss has become an epidemic at this point. So the main goal and the main thing we have to be able to do is just to be able to really just educate our client, right? Educate our client about the importance of finding out what is the root cause of your hair loss. After we find out what is the root cause of your hair loss, then we can proceed with the scalp analysis. Through our scalp analysis, what we do, we will be able to determine what is really going on our scalp, because for hair loss, it's not a one size fits all. For hair loss is to each his own, to each client a specific protocol, to each client a different treatment, because we don't have the same issue, we don't have the same diet, we don't have the same gene, and it's very important for us to be able to educate on our client on the importance to understand that hair loss is not in many cases an external issue. In most cases, hair loss is an internal issue, internal and external. So we have to be able to address both of it. We have to be able to tap into those two issues, internal and external. And through our journey, we understood now that many client has been misled for so long. Client has been misled for so long. That's why they end up buying all this treatment, oil, shampoo, all those things, because they are thinking that it's external. So our goal is to be able to lead our client through the right path, to show our client the right way to go. Start internal and end up externally. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a short cut, but few months or few weeks or whatever time it's gonna lapse, the issue is gonna come back. But to be able to just address that issue internally, but we want to also, through that journey, to be able to let our client understand that once you take care of yourself, once you give to your body the right food, the right nutrient, if you're suffering from hair loss, that hair is just gonna go. But remember, this is in case you have taken action in a timely manner, because through our scalp analysis, we are able to check and see, do you still have any active follicles? So to have active follicles, if you have been suffering from hair loss, you have to take action quick and swift. But if you lose time, you might end up losing that follicles. And if you lose the follicles, there's really nothing we can do again at this point. You might try to buy all type of product, all type of oil, treatment. Is not gonna work. Once that follicle is gone, it's gone. There's nothing that is gonna take it. So through our mission, which is to educate you, to empower you, to inspire you, we are just here to just give you the tool, put it in your hand with our help, and help you get to the root cause of that issue and solve that hair loss once and for all. It might take a little bit time, but it's better to take the right journey than to go through it faster and then end up at the point zero like you started. So we are very excited to be able to be the voice for our client. We're excited to be able to say no more hair loss starting this time moving forward. So if you are in the Boston area or the surrounding area of Boston and you're suffering from any issue of hair loss, again, I want to be able to emphasize here, not only like you don't have to wait till you start losing hair. For some people who suffer from psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis, those issues, the longer you wait, it can reduce your follicle. It can finally maybe lead to temporary hair loss or permanent hair loss. So even if you're suffering from psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis, which sometimes I found through this journey that many clients thinks is dandruff, right? But most of the time it's not dandruff. And if you don't address it swift, very, very quick, you might end up in a situation that you never thought you want to be there. So that's why our mission is to be able to just give you that education, empower you, inspire you that it's never too late if you take action, if you react in a timely manner. So we use like a holistic protocol, but all those things will be discussed through our consultation. We have our machine here that assists with our hair loss treatment. We have our machine here that help with our hair loss treatment. Like I always tell people, scalp exfoliation for me at this point, I feel like scalp exfoliation, I strongly believe that scalp exfoliation is the new facial. So if you do facial, and the main reason you do facial is to clean your pores, remove that skin, so to allow your skin to stay fresh and beautiful, to be glowing. That's the same thing with your scalp. The only difference between your scalp and your face is that your scalp is covered with a lot of hair, right? But if you want to look at it, I want to tell you, yeah, maybe it's a news to you, but maybe not. I want to share with you here that actually your scalp is an extension of your face, right? That's how I see it. If you remove your hair, you will see it's just the scalp. So the only thing that makes the difference is the hair that we have on top of it. So starting now, please let's take care of our scalp the same way we take care of our face, right? So when usually when we see like one pimple on our face, we are so irritated by that, and but we are neglecting our scalp. So no more of that. So if you are suffering from hair loss and a scalp issue, we are the house for you. And our holistic treatment is the new way to go. It's the right approach to go, helping you to heal from the inside out. We're excited to be on this journey with you, and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon. Our website here is www.hairlosscenterofboston.com. Again, www.hairlosscenterofboston.com. We have a wide range of service here for you. This is the time to take charge of your health, to take charge of your destiny, and no one holds the key to your destiny. You and only you can take charge of yourself. You and only you can change the path, the course to your life. We're excited to see all of you guys on this new year, 2020. Whatever your new year resolution is, we are here to just support you. We are here to guide you. We are here to empower you. Empowerment is what we are here for. Because when you suffer from hair loss, I've been there. It's a journey. It has been my journey. When you're suffering from hair loss, I know how it feels, right? I know how it feels, and that's why I'm eager to be able to help men, women to never feel the way I felt before. All right? Talk to you guys later, and God bless you as always. Bye-bye.